Let me show y'all what it's looking like, you know what I'm saying? How much I made the last 30 days. Right here. So if y'all look right here, $31,408 in the last 30 days. Let's screenshot that for y'all. $31,000 in the last 30 days. So I have beaten my goal of $1,000 per day. I've been actually doing, I had like three days this month where I had $3,000 a day. Of course, I had a few days where I was under $1,000 a day. Blah, blah, blah. Doesn't really matter what day by day does, you know what I'm saying? As long as in the last 30 days, it's like 20, 30 something, I'm not worried, you know what I'm saying? I know the business is growing. I know the business is elevating. I know I'm putting in the work in every day, you feel me? So I know the business is gonna do well. But that goes to say, y'all, if y'all haven't hit y'all first 10K month yet, if y'all haven't hit y'all first 5K month, 20K, you know what I'm saying, even 30K, trust me, it will not be like that forever. It will stay like that if you decide to quit. If you decide to quit today, you feel me, it will stay like that. But if you decide to keep going, it'll pay off for you. You're gonna eventually hit those 5K months. You're gonna eventually hit those 10K months. You're gonna eventually hit them 20, them 30K months. You feel me? I never thought this was possible, bro. I'm gonna keep it real with you, bro. Like, I thought the only way you could get 30K a month is if you rob 30 gas stations, one every day, and get a band each from every gas station, or you a doctor. I don't even think doctors get paid 30K a month. You know what I'm saying? 30K a month is damn near like somebody part-time McDonald's salary, bro, in a whole year, and we're making it in 1 month. Like, it is unrealistic. It's not unrealistic. I don't want to say nothing like that. Put that in the world. It is very realistic, but it is unreal. Not unrealistic. What do you call it? Unreal. Damn, bro. I might make a lot of money, but I'm still a fucking dumbass. It's uncommon for somebody my age to be making this type of money. Now, I asked ChatGPT, how many 21-year-olds generate $31,000 in revenue a month? And it is less than 1% of 21-year-olds, less than 1% of people in my age bracket are able to do this. And I can guarantee you that I do less than 1% of the work that people my age are willing to do, bro. Like, a lot of people my age, and this might be you, bro. Like, you might be one of the people coming from my Instagram that know me, and y'all just pop the shit on Instagram, and y'all just going to the club every night, and y'all buns chasing, y'all looking for hoes. You feel me? Like, y'all drinking, you know what I'm saying? Y'all just going down a bad path. And for y'all who still stuck at 2K, 3K a month, whatever, working y'all 9-to-5 jobs, as long as you making an active effort to get out of that, I completely respect you. But for the people that forever want to stay in a cycle, you know what I'm saying, party, drink, people my age, you know what I'm saying, because a lot of people that work and have careers in these jobs, they're 50, 60, and I respect the careers, but y'all that still stuck working in retail since y'all was 16 and y'all not doing nothing to improve y'all life, y'all not investing in y'all education, y'all not investing into no type of mentorships or anything to help y'all grow. Even college, bro, like, I don't recommend college to nobody. It's a complete waste of time, and there's a lot of bullshit classes they'll have you doing and paying your hard-earned money for it. But at least if you're going to that, you have some type of outlook on life. A lot of y'all just say, you know, I'm not going to college and I'm just gonna have fun in my 20s. And now where y'all end up in y'all 30s, y'all still stuck at these regular ass jobs, Wendy's, blah blah blah. That's the people you see, you know, when you're going through the drive-thru. And now everybody goes through their own trials and tribulations. I don't want to talk down on nobody, bro. Everybody goes through their own trials and tribulations, and everybody can turn their life around from any point. There has been people that have been completely homeless, broke, and within a year they were able to make $1 million. So it's very well possible. I'm not talking down on nobody. Everybody has the ability to get themselves out of any situation as fast as they want to. It just depends on how much work they put in, you know what I'm saying, and how much strategy they use, because it's not all work. There's a lot of hard workers out here, but it's not a lot of strategic niggas that know how to get the bread, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's not a lot of strategic niggas that know how to get the bread. If you a strategic nigga, if you a real strategic, bro, y'all see what I'm saying? I don't even know how to pronounce words out of the way. If y'all a strategic nigga, if you a strategic nigga, you know what I'm saying? You the type of nigga that used to go behind enemy lines on Call of Duty and try to, you know what I'm saying? You feel me? Flip the spawns. You a strategic, sneaky nigga, you know what I'm saying? Bruh, You can get rich, bro. You don't have to be the smartest. You don't have to be the most popular. You don't have to be none of that, bro. You just have to find somewhere that you fit in and somewhere that you are valuable. You know what I'm saying? You can solve $1 million problem from your bedroom. You know what I'm saying? It's been a lot of young nerd kids, bro, that's not buns chasing, that's not, that's not chasing after girls, that's not lusting after girls, that's not drinking every night, that's not smoking, they lungs out. And it's okay, bro. Like, you could do whatever you want to do with your life. But for me personally, I done quit a lot of shit just to get more on my business. I done sacrificed a lot of shit, bro. Like, I done sacrificed nicotine, bro. I done sacrificed drinking. I done sacrificed as much as I smoke. You know what I'm saying? I still smoke from time to time, you feel me? But you know what I'm saying? That's after all the work is done, bro. I'll never let weed take over my life again, that I'm smoking the first thing as soon as I wake up. The first thing I do as soon as I wake up is come outside and talk to y'all, do something productive, help y'all out, you feel me? Talk to my mentees, ask my mentees how they last day went and stuff like that. That's what I'm doing in the morning. I'm not, you know what I'm saying, smoking a blunt first thing in the morning. Now, if that's what works for you and you can get rich off of that, I completely respect it. I know people personally that smoke weed every 10 seconds of the day and they still run multiple businesses. They're still successful, you feel me? Bro, one of them done commented on this channel before. Just, if y'all know, y'all know. But yeah, like I said, bro, like, a lot of y'all are wasting y'all potential. You know what I'm saying? Y'all are wasting y'all potential. You feel me? Y'all are wasting y'all potential. Y'all want to know why y'all wasting y'all potential? Because y'all are not looking yourself in the mirror and they're staring yourself in the mirror like this. Looking at yourself in the mirror every day. Looking at yourself in the mirror. Damn, am I really at my full potential? Am I really, you gotta look in yourself in the mirror and look at yourself. Look at yourself and imagine yourself being the best possible self you can be. Max level 99 GTA character, you feel me? Max level GTA character, all the money, all the cars. Look at yourself in the eye, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? You got the perfect physique you want, you know what I'm saying? Your mindset, the perfect, you tapped in with God all the way. You living your perfect life. You need to look at yourself in the mirror and look at that person and make that person real, you feel me? And you will be that person, I promise you. If you look at that person in the mirror, you know what I'm saying, and improve every little thing about it, and you really work towards to becoming a max level GTA character, man or woman, whatever, you know what I'm saying, you are going to succeed. I promise you. This is an active effort, bruh. A lot of y'all wonder why this shit is not going right for me, but y'all don't look at the habits that y'all do in y'all life. Y'all don't look what y'all do every day. You feel me? All my habits is positive, working for me to get more money, working for me to get farther in life. That's what all my habits do. You know what I'm saying? I cut out all the bad habits, bro. I'm keep it a buck. I cut out all the bad habits. Now there's only good and neutral habits in my life. So a lot of y'all habits is wasting time, bullshitting, buns chasing. You feel me? Like bullshitting, buns chasing. A lot of y'all, do that. You know what I'm saying? So what you really need to do is lock in, stop chasing, stop lusting. You feel me? That's the type of shit that got y'all mind, so foggy, bruh. Like, there's so much distractions in the world, like from the lusting to the substances, the drugs, whatever. A lot of these young people in my generation, the alcohol, they are obsessed with this type of shit, and they aren't obsessed with getting successful. That's why there's only 1% of 21-year-olds that's been able to pull this off. Because it's only 1% of people that's really willing to put in the work, and it's really only 1% of people that are man enough to be able to want to take care of their family and be able to want to buy a Lamborghini. And it's only those type of people that believe in themselves all the way that could do that. You know what I'm saying? Because I know out of that 1%, it's at least 0.5% that was given that money, that was given the opportunity to be able to make that money, that was born into riches. You know what I'm saying? So really, I'm 0.5%. 0.5% of 21-year-olds have been able to make at least $31,000 on their own a month. Now that is something that boosts my confidence. Y'all can say whatever, ego, blah blah blah, humble yourself. Nah, bruh, humble myself for what? So I can limit myself? I'm not doing that, bruh. Y'all need to have maximum full self-confidence. And the way that y'all get maximum full self-confidence in yourself, no matter how you look, no matter, you feel me, how you dress, you know what I'm saying, is from real action and real accomplishments. I grew a clothing brand to 12,000 followers. Of course, I'm gonna have confidence that I can run a clothing brand. I made $31,000 in e-com. Of course, I'm gonna be confident that I can do it again. I pulled mad holes. Of course, I'm gonna be confident that I can pull some more. Like, your confidence comes from actually doing shit. You know what I'm saying? Actually accomplishing things in life. When you accomplish things in life, you feel me? You will become confident about it, bro. Like, there's no, you feel me? There's no NFL running back that's scared to run through the hole. You feel me? Because he's confident that he gonna score a touchdown. You know what I'm saying? Like, y'all just gotta, you feel me? Lock in, bro. I don't know how else to say it, because it should be natural in you to be able to want to take care of your family, to be able to want to take care of your mom, your dad, your auntie, your grandma. You feel me? Like, to be able to want to take care of the women in your family. You don't want the women in your family working forever. Like, you want them to be able to have a good life, chill, sit back. You want to be able to buy your mom a house, bro. Like, before all the shit that you get for yourself, you should be wanting to take care of the people in your life. That is just, I feel like that's the responsibility of a man, but a lot of people are too cowardly to do that, you know what I'm saying? And I respect if you don't think your family deserves anything, all right? That's fine, bro. If you don't think your family deserves nothing, don't get them shit. But you know what you should? You know who does deserve something? You deserve a better life, fam. I don't know why you don't think like that. You deserve a better life. And you know what you gotta do to get a better life? You gotta eat shit, and you gotta be in the trenches like me. You know what I'm saying? I told y'all. I'm in the trenches right now. I got on a white t-shirt, bro. I'm not wearing no Balenciaga. I'm not wearing no designer shit. I'm not wearing no drip. Y'all know I real deal put drip on, bro. But since I'm in the trenches, I'm not even focused on vanity, looking good right now, whatever, haircuts. I just recently got a haircut, you know what I'm saying, like 2 weeks ago, but that bitch done already grew back out. So I might title this video, I need another haircut again, bro. But like, bro, I'm in the trenches, bro. I'm in the trenches. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all. This shit is not, you know, peaches and rainbows. Oh, I made $31,000 this month and I'm about to go spend $30,000. No, nigga, I'm not spending that shit, nigga. I'm not spending nothing, bruh. I'm not spending that bread. You wanna know why I'm not spending that bread? Because that bread is a necessity to get to where I need to be. Like, this money I can invest in so much other places instead of buying dumbass Rick Owens, dumbass Balenciaga. The type of shit I used to buy, the type of shit that used to set me back track. Look at the shoes I'm wearing right now, bro. Look at the shoes I'm wearing right now, nigga. I'm wearing some off-brand ass Crocs. Now, the reason I'm wearing these off-brand ass Crocs is because they serve a purpose, right? So my feet don't get dirty, and so my feet can stay comfortable and dry while I'm walking through the earth. You know what I'm saying? That's the only purpose shoes serve. That's the only purpose shoes serve. The only other purpose a shoe can serve is status and respect. You know what I'm saying? And you wanna know something? A lot of this shit nowadays is becoming fake, so people don't even know if they should get the status and respect to certain shoes no more, bruh. You know what gets the status and respect? Where you live, your environment, what type of keys you got on your key holder. You feel me? That's what mattered. That's what mattered, bro. Look, as a man, you need to be thinking like a king. How can I take over this world, bro? How can I gain as much as possible, and how can I take care as much as possible? See, me as a person, I want the most responsibility in the world. We need control over things. Especially our life, you feel me? Our life, we need maximum control over. I have maximum control over my life. I can do whatever the fuck I want to do, whenever the fuck I want to do it, for the most part. For the most part, I have maximum control over my life. And what I want to do, when I want to do it, is mostly like work, bro. I mostly want to do work. And when do I want to do it? All day. You feel me? So I'm simple, nigga. You know what I'm saying? I don't really want or need to do everything in the world. But yeah, like, I just want to work. I want to put out content. I want to work on these businesses. I want to look at data. I just want to improve 1% every day. Like, ever since I read that Atomic Habits book, at the beginning of the year, January 1st, I have not looked back. Every month has been an improvement. Every day has been an improvement. I am a testimony to show y'all. If y'all really put the work in, bro, y'all could dead ass have this shit on lock, bro. Like, I tell y'all, I was broke not too long ago, bro. I was broke not too long ago. Like, I done went broke 2-3 times in e-commerce, bro. Like just going completely broke, debt broke. Not even fully, I was in debt broke. Like owing credit card companies because I'm running too much ass type shit. And it real deal took it took something out of me to be able to, all right, lock in and be able to fix the problem, bro. Like that was a real, you know, real hard moment in my life. Like, damn, bro, I owe all this money. Every dollar that I make gotta go to these niggas, bro. Like, but that's just what it is. When you got debt, you gotta pay that shit off, bro. You're gonna be running from debt collectors your whole life. You don't wanna live like that, bro. Just pay that debt, bro. Just pay that debt. It's a lot of brand owners that still ain't paid that debt, bro. Brand owner credit score crazy, looking terrible. My credit score finally recovering, you feel me? Like from that bullshit. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna act like I got the best credit in the world. After that, bro, I ain't gonna lie, my credit was a little cooked, but we back. But we getting the credit right. But yeah, bro, I want to tell y'all, bro, in this video, to end this video off, bro, I just want to tell y'all, lock in, bro. Lock in. I do a lot of yapping. I give a lot of information, and my information be all over the place. But I hope y'all is taking notes, because I'm giving y'all information based on my real life experience, like what I really experienced in life, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I don't lie on this platform. Every game I give is real, bro. Now, whether or not you want to take it serious and real act on the game and real act on the shit that I'm telling y'all, it's up to you. It's up to you where you want to be in life, bro. Like a lot of y'all, we getting older every day, bro, and we still stuck on the same thing, living in the same house, driving the same car. If you want to level up or anything like that, bro, if y'all need help, you feel me, one-on-one, anything like that, links will be in the description. But it's been y'all dog, Chalk and Go. I'm gonna catch y'all in this video. I love talking to y'all. I appreciate all y'all who have subscribed in the last 30 days, bro. I think it's been 80 of y'all, bro, but I love it, bro. I love it. I'm gonna keep dropping videos for y'all. I'm gonna keep giving y'all free game. But yeah, it's been y'all dog. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. We out.